Let's have a look at the German DAX with the system this morning and the morning move. Monday morning, off to a slower start. First trade was this one here. We got a green pro trend system buy, little pullback in here and shot higher. When I talk about shot higher, it went up about 10 points. So we managed to get about 7 points out of that trade. The spread a little bit wider pre 8 a.m. So we want to go a little bit more careful with that, the trades before 8 a.m. We've then got the sell signal. Now we got a red sell signal on the right hand side. Here's the 1 hour time frame. Now we can't get out of this selling zone, which is the Fibonacci retracement areas of 61.8%. That is the golden ratio. So in this area here, it's providing us with resistance. I would rather be shorted, and that's exactly what I did today. First short was this one here, red pro trend system, then take the pullback. Okay, so confirmation, short the pullback, in profit pretty quickly here. But the nice one is this one that we're still in here, guys. This was the red pro trend system, and this dropped nicely lower, about 35 to 40 points. We hit pro trend system target 19,187, and we've sort of gone a little bit sideways from here. But look, the key for this learning is that these moving averages here, this big moving average is the 200 period moving average. We've got the 20 period moving average here alongside it is these two lines. Now they're sideways. When moving averages go sideways, price is obviously going sideways. What we want to see is a breakout of that area. Okay, we've either wanted a break up or we wanted to break down. We got the breakdown because we got the red pro trend system, okay, 3 hours ago. So it was all about the red side trades for us. Taking red shorts was the name of the game this morning, even though I thought we could start the day with a nice, push higher with momentum. We could start breakout and the markets would take it one way all morning. That did not happen. So on the 1 hour time frame, we didn't break to new highs. We then got the pro trend system red, okay, and then it's just short side trades. But you can see on the 5 minute time frame here at the moment, the time is now 9:15. It's done, guys. Nice profitable day, but a slower day, being Monday morning, the start of the week. This should start to now kick in once we get that 60-minute turning over and getting some momentum, lower lows and lower highs. Then this 5 minute reds will be much easier than they were this morning. But a nice profit. We walk away with the morning move with a nice profit, and you can see it's coming down still on the 5 minute chart. Let's see if we can start to see some more downside here. But the storyteller down below on momentum indicator is starting to get a little bit oversold. We really want to get in on the first 3 histograms if we're shorting the momentum. Once we start to get 8 histograms, we know we're going to get oversold in this market. Okay, like we were overbought just over here. So I think there's decent moves setting up, guys. We just need that little bit of direction and volume kicking in. And you can see it nicely flushing lower here. So let's see if we can get 19,165, which is the next PTS target, which is automatically generated to the short side. $9.15, really the morning move's mainly done. When you're looking for the morning move, it's 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. really. That's that golden hour I always talk about. That is where all the volatility kicks in normally. But yeah, we're getting the move down. This came at 8:40, this one here. Okay, it looks like it's just going to go sideways to slightly down. We're now at the 1 hour target, which is 91.73 on the 1 hour time frame. Those that like it a little bit more slower with their trading, then the 1 hour is perfect for you for the colors and the signals on the 1 hour time frame. Those that like it faster, 2 minutes and 5 minutes is ideal for them. All right, guys, that's Monday morning. Decent profit to start the week, and let's see what Tuesday morning brings us.